let's jump into the charts to show you what I see and expect for this week again. I was right last week. I told you, all-time high in the weekend. It happened. Let's see what I see for this week. The first chart for today, guys, is this 4-hour chart. Look, amazing above that resistance level there that we had at 121K. 4-hour candles closing above that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles already above it. Bollinger Band is pretty wide, so yeah, the bottom would be 119,000. That's a huge support on the weekly. The top would be at 124,000 again. Okay, of course, we have that all-time high there of 125,850, which is amazing. Let's see where we take it this week. There is not a lot of resistance above it, as we haven't had any previous candles around this area. Is there selling pressure? There's always selling pressure. That selling pressure is mostly around the round number, so 125, 130. There I expect some selling pressure, people taking profit, maybe to make a retest on the weekly later. On the weekly, we can see, guys, that candle that broke out is a very important candle, guys. That is one of the candles that was, in my opinion, one of the most important ones this bull market now, because look, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of resistance. Couldn't break that 119K level with a weekly candle. We bounced back down. We came up again down, and then again up, and now we broke it. This candle should, in my opinion, try to close around 130K, and then even we can expect a pullback to 120K before we see a continuation, or we need to get really, really bullish from here, and we go into this explosive move the next 1.5 to 2 months. And we can see that in the bottom also there, that MACD is slowly starting to turn green. So if this week is a bullish week, then the next week will become a green marker, and very interesting to see how that will play out, guys. RSI is still at a nice level, not too high. We can still expect a little bit more upward movement. So very amazing charts.